No one remembered how long it had been there. Hidden behind collapsed fences and tangled weeds, this old 1976 Ford F-100 sat in silence. Its body was eaten by rust, its tires swallowed by the earth. Decades ago, this truck was a workhorse, hauling heavy loads and roaring down dusty roads. But time had stripped it of its purpose. Wind whistled through the broken windows, and the engine hadn't breathed in decades. Most people just saw a pile of junk, but we saw potential. The moment we finally lifted the hood, the reality was grim. The engine was frozen solid. The frame was cracked, corroded beyond any trust. It wasn't just broken, it was forgotten. But legends don't just disappear. They wait. This was the start of an epic journey, a resurrection from rust to roar. And we're going to take you through every single step of this insane transformation. Stick with us, because what happens next is something you won't want to miss. The teardown was brutal. Every bolt was a battle. They snapped, they sheared off, forcing us to drill and tap almost every single hole. Metal screamed under the grinder as we cut away the years of decay. We knew from the beginning the original frame was unsalvageable. It had to go. So, piece by piece, we cut it away until nothing remained but the shell of its former self. This was the hardest part, destroying what little was left in order to save it. Restoration, we learned, is sometimes an act of violence before it becomes an act of love. You're watching the death of the old truck and the birth of a monster. Every cut, every spark, is clearing the way for something bigger, something stronger. We weren't just fixing it. We were completely reimagining it from the ground up. This is the point of no return. The cab and bed are now floating, completely detached from their rotten foundation. It's a clean slate, a chance to build something that could never have existed back in '76. With the old frame gone, it was time to build a new backbone. We're not talking about a stock replacement. We engineered a fully custom heavy-duty ladder frame, designed to handle stresses this truck could never have dreamed of. Every piece of steel was cut, bent, and welded right here in our shop. This frame is the soul of the new build, a foundation of pure strength. We knew we were going for massive size, so everything had to be overbuilt. Next, we brought in the hardware that would define this truck's new purpose.
Now that we've got the chassis complete, we can start the engine installation. This is where the real work begins.
Massive axles, built for rock crawling and mud bogging, replaced the fragile originals. Look at the size difference here, it's just absurd. To give this beast its towering stance and incredible off-road capability, we designed a custom long-travel suspension system. The links are like something off a military vehicle. As we bolted it all together, the Ford was no longer sitting on the ground. It was rising above it. Now for the heart of the monster. A powerful modern V8 engine was lowered into place. This motor wasn't built for top speed on a racetrack. It was built for raw, unrelenting torque.
We're clear on the headers. How's the mount?
Lining up now, down pressure.
Okay, she's seated.
It's designed to push, pull, and crush anything in its path without mercy. Mating this powerhouse to the drivetrain was a critical moment. Once the transmission was bolted up and the heavy-duty transfer case was mounted, the transformation was no longer a dream. It was inevitable. The pile of parts was finally starting to look like a machine again. And then the moment that changed everything, the wheels. 54-inch monster tires rolled into the workshop like giants. Just getting them into position was a workout. As we mounted them onto the new axles, the true scale of what we had created became undeniable. The once-forgotten pickup now towered over everything in the shop. It was so tall we could barely reach the top of it. This wasn't just a truck anymore. It was a monument to excess. With the chassis and drivetrain complete, our attention turned back to the body. We wanted to keep its classic Ford soul, but it had to match the aggression of its new frame. The fender lines had to be completely reimagined. We cut away huge sections to make room for the massive tires and the extreme suspension travel. The new fender flares were hand-fabricated, hardened, and welded into place. The scars of the build were left intentionally, as proof that this machine was built for war, not for a car show. This isn't about nostalgia. It's about pure, functional brutality. The moment of truth had finally arrived. After months of grinding, welding, and wrenching, it was time to see if the monster had a voice. The workshop fell silent. All the wiring was triple-checked. Fuel lines were primed. The key turned in the ignition. The starter groaned against the high-compression engine. For a split second, there was nothing but a tense, heavy silence. And then it exploded to life. The sound wasn't just loud, it was alive. A deep, thunderous roar echoed off the walls, shaking dust from the ceiling. After decades of silence, the old Ford remembered how to scream. The exhaust note was violent, untamed, a promise of the power waiting to be unleashed. Every single person in the shop just stood there, grinning.
Hear that roar? We did it!
All those long nights, all the busted knuckles, it was all worth it for this one single moment. The first drive wasn't on a smooth, paved road. It was a trial by fire. The monster rolled forward for the first time under its own power. We put some scrap metal in its path to see how it would react. It didn't hesitate. It rolled right over, crushing the steel beneath its 54-inch tires as if it were cardboard. Dirt launched into the air with every turn of the wheel. We pushed it hard, testing the limits. The suspension flexed beautifully, absorbing massive hits. The custom chassis held firm, without a single creak or groan. The truck that once rotted in the shadows now completely dominated the ground it touched. As the sun began to set, we parked the beast. It stood there tall, wide, and absolutely unstoppable. This wasn't just a restoration. It was a resurrection. We brought a legend back from the dead, not as it was, but as it was always meant to be. From rust to roar, this forgotten F-100 has returned, stronger, louder, and completely impossible to ignore. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible build journey. It was a massive undertaking, but seeing it come to life has been one of the most rewarding experiences. If you loved watching this monster come together, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because we have plenty more insane projects coming your way. Let us know in the comments what you think of the final result. We'll see you in the next one.